So here's a program. I'm trying to uninstall it and I cannot uninstall it because Surrogate process ID, that number is running. If I click on the retry button, that error message will return and I cannot uninstall it. Ignore, will that help? Okay, so to terminate that Surrogate thing, come here to an empty area of the taskbar, right click on it, go to Task Manager, come here to Details, and if it's sorted by name, then click on PID, Process ID, and go down to 12,620, is that one, DLL host, right click on it, and Task, and Process. And the uninstallation process should continue.